Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're already in the folder. Let's open Command Prompt there. Click the Explorer address bar or press Alt+D to focus it. Once focused, type CMD and press Enter. This launches CMD with the current folder as the working directory, so you don't need to CD anywhere. Make sure you're in the exact folder you want first. This is the fastest, most reliable method, no registry hacks, no context menu tweaks. It works on modern Windows without changing settings or installing tools. Once CMD opens, verify you're in the correct folder by looking at the prompt. It shows the full path. Now run the commands you need. CD to change subfolders, dir to list files, or run scripts by name. If you need elevated rights, close this window, then open an elevated prompt. Press Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, choose Run as administrator, then manually navigate or run pushed with the full path. Make sure to use exact file names and quotes if paths contain spaces. Finish by executing the command or program you intended when running a local executable prefix with / to ensure it runs from the current folder. If the prompt shows a different path, repeat the address bar method. Press Alt+D, type CMD, press Enter. This reliably reopens CMD in the chosen folder. If problems persist, check for trailing spaces, symbolic links, or folder shortcuts that change the perceived path. One quick troubleshooting tip. Copy the Explorer path into Note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.